This video shows how you can edit and change radiator sizes without necessarily having to spend time redesigning your pipe runs. So here we can see 3 radiators. If it's my intention to change this radiator to a different size, I can merely double click on the radiator and then run a search. And that gives me the new output. There may be a requirement on the space. Let's say quick calculation has been done, the glazing has changed, and that instead of being 0.86 for the radiator is now 1.1 kilowatts. I can then run a search. This gives me a number of radiators, so I'm going to now change to the 800mm radiator or the 1000mm radiator, or if there's a lower requirement, I can come in here and say 0.8, run a search, and say I want to run a 600. So by typing in the requirement for the radiator and doing a search, this will look at the output for this individual radiator as a proportion of the room space. If we want to have our connections automatically reinstated, we go to the connections option and we select delete and auto connect new pipes. Then when we select OK, you can see that radiator shortens and it automatically draws back the connections without you having to delete them and re-enter them. Otherwise it would be a case of double clicking on the pipe run, pressing delete on the keyboard and redrawing it. So this functionality allows you to effectively edit your radiator requirement by selecting it, picking the new radiator, delete and auto connect new pipes, select OK. That then shrinks the radiator. Display calculate to update, and that reinstates your pipe sizes. So this means you don't have to delete pipe runs to re-engineer your radiators.